The internet has leveled the playing field. Now anyone, anywhere, can build a thriving business without mountains of money. You heard that right, $0. In this video, we're diving into 7 lucrative side hustles that you can start immediately. They don't require large investments, just your time and dedication. Plus, we'll show you how much cash these hustles can bring in. It's not just about making a few extra bucks. We're talking about serious income potential. So if you've been itching to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey, this video is your North Star. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Freelancing. The gig economy is booming. Thanks to the internet, businesses worldwide need top-notch services and are eager to pay for them. If you have a skill, you can monetize it. Writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, social media management, the list goes on. And the best part, you don't need to be a superstar in your field. If you're willing to learn, there are plenty of resources to help you get started. Got an eye for design? Create stunning visuals on platforms like Canva. Proficient in social media? Help businesses craft killer posts and strategies. No coding knowledge required. Websites like Code Canyon offer pre-made themes and plugins to help you build professional-looking sites quickly. The freelance market is vast. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru connect you with businesses seeking your talents. You can also leverage social media to find clients. Share your skills, build a portfolio, and reach out to potential customers. The numbers speak for themselves. According to a study by the Freelancers Union, there were approximately 59 million freelancers in the US in 2023. That's around 36% of the US workforce. On a global scale, the International Workplace Analytics estimates that there will be 86.5 million freelancers in the US alone by 2027, accounting for 53% of the American workforce. And what's even more impressive, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that freelancing is growing faster than traditional employment. Plus, the average hourly rate for freelancers ranges from $18 to $150, depending on your skill set. With the right skill set and dedication, you can carve out a thriving freelance career without breaking the bank. No. 2. E-commerce dropshipping. E-commerce dropshipping is the new kid on the block, and it's making waves. This model is all about connecting buyers directly with suppliers, cutting out the middleman and slashing overhead costs. Platforms like Oberlo, Spocket, and CJDrop make it easier than ever to link up with international suppliers, streamlining the entire process. Once you've found the perfect product to sell, it's time to create your online store. Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix are fantastic tools to build a user-friendly platform that showcases your products. A good domain name is key. Aim for something catchy, relevant, and easy to spell. Your branding, including your logo and color scheme, should be consistent across all platforms, creating a cohesive brand identity. Once you've got your shop set up and stocked, it's time to spread the word. Leverage social media like Instagram and Facebook to create buzz about your store. Run targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. The e-commerce giants are on board. Amazon, for instance, launched its own dropshipping program. eBay has long embraced dropshipping. Even Etsy, known for handmade goods, allows sellers to use dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can start small without tying up a lot of capital. On average, dropshipping businesses generate between $20,000 and $100,000 annually. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Imagine earning passive income by recommending products you love. That's the power of affiliate marketing. You don't have to create your own products or manage inventory. Instead, you partner with brands, promote their offerings through unique tracking links, and earn commissions on every sale. How does it work? You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Grab your affiliate links and start promoting. Share these links on your social media channels, in blog posts, or even through email. It's important to note that affiliate marketing isn't just about spamming links everywhere. To be successful, focus on providing value. Create content that genuinely helps people and naturally integrates your affiliate links. The numbers back this approach. According to Statista, affiliate marketing contributes significantly to e-commerce sales. In fact, affiliate marketing was responsible for a whopping 16% of global e-commerce sales in 2023, and the future looks bright. Research by Insider Intelligence projects that affiliate marketing will fuel nearly 1/4, 23% of all e-commerce sales by 2031. But why choose affiliate marketing? Well, it's a win-win for everyone involved. Consumers get recommendations tailored to their needs. Affiliates like you earn commissions on successful referrals, and brands expand their reach by tapping into your audience. With affiliate marketing, you can diversify your income streams and earn commissions on autopilot. In fact, affiliates who actively participate in multiple programs boost their earnings by up to 25%. On average, affiliate marketers can expect to earn between $10,000 and $30,000 per year, and the sky's the limit for those who master the game. Number 4. Online coaching or consulting. Are you passionate about a particular area of expertise? Whether it's wellness, business, education, or relationships, your insights can make a difference. Become an online coach or consultant. Start by identifying your niche and target audience. Then set your pricing based on your experience and the value you bring. Platforms like Zoom and Skype enable you to hold sessions remotely. Consider offering packages to boost your income. For instance, a package might include 8 30-minute sessions for $300. Promote your services through social media, build a website, and network with potential clients. The wellness industry alone, which includes coaching, is booming. According to Global Newswire, the global wellness market size is projected to reach $150.4 billion by 2030. Growing at a compound annual growth rate of 7.2% from $96.6 billion in 2023. On average, coaches can earn between $30,000 and $100,000 annually. Consultants typically charge between $50 and $300 per hour. As a coach or consultant, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're empowering others to grow. And the financial rewards are just the icing on the cake. Number 5. Print on demand. Do you have an artistic flair or a knack for design? Print on demand, or POD, might be your ticket to success. With POD, you create designs and upload them to platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Society6. These platforms handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You can offer a range of products from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art. Set your prices or leave it to the platform and earn royalties on each sale. The beauty of POD lies in its low risk. You don't need to purchase inventory up front or worry about storage. Platforms like Printify allow you to test products without committing to bulk orders. With POD, the possibilities are endless. Number 6. Vlogging or content creation. The world is your oyster. Start a vlog, share your experiences, create tutorials, or dive into product reviews. Your audience will appreciate the authenticity. Post your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even Facebook. Monetize your content through ads or sponsorships once you meet eligibility criteria. Your income can vary depending on factors like views, engagement, and the types of deals you secure. While building a substantial following takes time, consistency is key. Stay active, interact with your viewers, and keep producing high-quality content. As your viewership grows, so will your income potential. The numbers speak for themselves. Global ad spending on YouTube alone is projected to hit $28 billion in 2024. By 2027, this figure is estimated to surge to $43.4 billion. On average, vloggers and content creators can earn between $15,000 and $50,000 annually. But remember, it's a journey that requires patience and a lot of heart. Number 7. Virtual events. People love attending events. So why not tap into that enthusiasm? Host webinars, workshops, or Q&A sessions online. Platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Instagram Live make it easy. Charge attendees or offer the event for free and monetize through sponsorships and upsells. Eventbrite can help you with registration and payments. It's a win-win. Your event gains traction and attendees get valuable insights. The numbers are on your side. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global virtual events market is expected to grow from $104.7 billion in 2023 to $158.6 billion by 2030 at a CAGR of 6.6%. On average, a single impactful virtual event can yield up to $20,000 in revenue. However, the true magic lies in the long-term value. An event like this can position you as an industry expert, leading to ongoing opportunities and revenue streams. So there you have it, 7 side hustles to propel your journey towards financial success. Remember, the road to success is paved with action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Embrace the challenges, stay committed, and watch your dreams take flight. If this video inspired you, don't forget to show your support. Like, comment, and share with those who can benefit from these insights.